ICICI has introduced new fund offer Silver ETF. First time in India, ICICI has introduced Silver ETF fund. This Silver ETF is similar to Gold ETF, where you are investing in gold the same way you can invest in silver, that is paper silver, similar to paper gold. Instead of investing in physical gold or physical silver, you are going to invest in gold or silver in paper. Most of them are aware what is ETF. ETF is Exchange Trade Fund. This ETF is similar to mutual fund, but the difference is less expense ratio and there is no exit load. You can buy, sell anytime. To buy or sell ETF, definitely you need demat account. ETF is a bucket similar to index 50, index next 50. So same way, different kind of bucket they will create in ETF. So different bucket like ETF, index 50, ETF, next 50, ETF, pharma, ETF, healthcare, ETF bank, and ETF IT. Based on the provider like Kotak, ICICI, UTI, SBI. So based on the provider, they will choose the different top companies based on their bucket. For example, if you look at that ICICI Prudential IT ETF fund, they were investing in top IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro. If you want to invest in TCS, approximately you need 3,860 rupees as of today. But whereas in ETF, you can buy a unit from 10 rupees. The ETF is similar to equity share market. You can buy immediately and the unit will credited into your account immediately. As soon as you can sell immediately, the amount will be credited in your account. In mutual fund, fund manager and their team continuously working and monitoring the stock market. Based on the fluctuation, they will change the allocation. For that, we need to give expense ratio if we are investing in mutual fund. Similarly, exit load. Expense ratio and exit load is minimum 1% and then more. Whereas in ETF, expense ratio is very less, that is 0.05 onwards. That's all about the short and sweet of ETF fund. Let's start with Silver ETF fund. ICICI Silver ETF fund has opened January 5, that is today, and end in January 19th, 2022. During this offer period, you can buy a unit. Minimum investment is 100 rupees. There is no exit load. You can withdraw anytime. And there is no switches applicable as this is a ETF fund. Either you have to buy or you have to sell. Why we need to invest in silver ETF fund? We don't need to worry about the purity and quality of silver while investing this ETF fund. During the crisis situation, many people are investing in gold or silver. Diversifying our allocation, it will reduce the risk of overall portfolio. Silver ETF that enables investing in silver without storage costs. Silver used in many industrials like solar panel, medical instrument, switches, satellites, etc. Instead of investing in silver physically and manage the storage space and the security, instead of that we can invest in ETF fund and we don't need to worry storage space and the securities. When we invest this fund during the NFO period in primary market, asset management company they will create a physical silver as well as redemption of physical silver. Then it will go to national stock exchange market, that is secondary market. After NFO period, we can buy sell anytime in national stock exchange market, that is NSE. Silver has given approximately 63% of return in last 4 years, that is from February 18 to December 21. Also, silver has delivered good return comparing to Nifty 50 during the crisis situation, that is COVID, or whenever the market is going down and not performing well. Silver demand is increasing day by day in industrial. Silver that mainly used in power distribution industrial, solar PV, automobile, semiconductor industrial, consumer electronics, AII electrical, bracing materials, photography, and jewelry. Silver is highly demand in AII electrical. Uncertain time, the investment in silver demand has increased nowadays. Silver is widely used in specialist electronics where cost allows as it is an excellent conductor of electricity. It is better than copper. Supplying the silver is equivalent to other resource, that is copper, gold and zinc in industrial manufacturing. In future, silver demand will increase in renewable energy, industrial electronics, jewelry and investment. In renewable energy, approximately 101 million ounce that is required, and in industrial and electronics 413.4 million ounce that is required. In jewelry 181.2 million ounce, and in investment that will 200.5 million ounce will required in future. Approximately renewable energy has to spend 19,500 crores for 101 million ounce silver, whereas in industrial and electronics they will spend 79,816 crores for 413.4 million ounce silver. This demand will not stop at this point, it will gradually increase. So that is the reason ICICI has introduced silver ETF fund in India first time. Silver ETF fund will give good return overall a period. Return will be increased gradually, slowly and steadily. So this is the right time that you need to consider investing in silver as a paper. You need to add this silver ETF fund in your portfolio along with FD, real estate, gold, equity market, mutual fund. Please research from your side and analyze from your side. If you are interested, you can start investing this silver ETF fund. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Keep on watching RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this.